Hi, today we're going to know how to use the if conditional. So here I have a code that is used for transforming from Fahrenheit degrees to Celsius degrees. So here is my function here, and what I'm going to do next is to add an if conditional. So in this case, I'm going to add a little node that is going to be water is boiling at this temperature, or water isn't boiling at this temperature. So in order to do this, we have to put the if conditional, and if from far to cell far is bigger to 100 degrees, print water is boiling at this point. So by now we know how to use the if, and now we're going to test whatever we've done. So what we're going to do is that we're going to put we have to be clear, we haven't finished the if conditional, but this video is only going to show us how to create an if conditional. So this is the first part of a whole process that implies a lot more than just an if, because if we leave it as it is, we will have a mistake. So in order to not have a mistake, we have to cover all the parameters. But in here we're just going to test if our if is correct. So whenever the function gives a number bigger than 100, we must have the function. We must have printed this thing. So I'm going to open the files. So I'm put Python 3 master is 1.py. So I'm going to put 220. Temperature of water is boiling at this point. So I put 220 because 212 is the boiling point for water. But in here we just try to see if our if is correct. Remember that is not complete. Because if we put a number that is less than 100, it's going to give us a none result. So it's not complete, but we achieved what we wanted. That was explaining how to create an if conditional. And here is the first part of creating an if conditional in this video.